Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to discuss how to configure a Spring MVC in Eclipse in Ubuntu. Okay, in before the this tutorial I already say how to download and install Eclipse in Ubuntu. So if you have any doubts about downloading and installing, you can refer that. Okay, first of all we want to open the Eclipse folder and click Eclipse icon. Okay, then the Eclipse will be opened. Okay, this is our Eclipse. We want to sure that this is for Java and this is for Java EE. Okay, this is for Java EE. So first of all we are going to create a new new dynamic web project. This is for Spring MVC. Okay, dynamic web project, click dynamic web project and type a project, and again sample. Okay, sample. This is my project name, and here this is user is 3.0. There is no change for there. Okay, type sample as the project name and click next. Okay, don't click finish, click next, and then click next. Okay, then tick here generate web.xml deployment descriptor. Okay, tick this option and then click finish. Okay, then our project files and folders will be generated in the left side. This is the project explorer. Okay, our project is created, and then click here to expand. Okay, and in web content you can see web inf. In the web menu see the web.xml, it's automatically generated. Okay, now we don't need this and we don't need this. Okay, see here, click, this is the design, click source, then we can see the source file. Okay, okay, now we created our first project, and then we need to convert this project into Marvel. So we need to find where is configure. See that configure, see configure, convert to Maven project. See, convert to Maven project, click here. See, there is after converting, see, we can see a changes from here. Okay, in here click finish. See that a pom.xml file is generated. Okay, here this is the overview. We can click here pom.xml. We can click here to see the some code. Okay, see the code. So next, in this file pom file, we need to add some dependencies for our Spring MVC. So okay, I just clicked and Control S to save, so it will be automatically downloading the dependencies. See that JPA project changes when the handler and waiting user options. See that it will be automatically downloaded. When we installing this, we need to connect to the internet. It will be must. So because of and the dependencies file will be automatically downloaded from the net. Okay, I think it's need some time. The file will be automatic download, and see here we can see enabling Maven and dependencies. See that it will be automatically configuring. You don't configure manually. If you manually configure, it will be very difficult. So before doing this, we must be connected to internet. It's must, it's a mandatory. Okay, because of this we need just 10 maximum of 10 MB, not 10 MB, I think maximum of 1 MB downloading. Okay, because of it's just downloading the dependencies file, that's all. I will just maximize this window, then you can understand. So see that jar file. See, the jar file is the dependency. See that Plexer compiler, Java compiler, all compiler configure Maven project. See, these are they downloaded dependencies file and installing it's automatically. See that .pom, it will be automatically configuring. That's why. Okay, I think there are many operations. That's why we just need to connect internet. Okay, we can just wait for the downloads. Okay, I think it's done. See that building workspace, this will generating Maven dependencies. See that we can see here, sorry, we can see here the library files, Maven projects. Okay, all the Maven projects is Maven's dependencies is downloaded. See here at the this is a JRE systems library. Okay, if we add some dependency file here, there will be some dependencies file automatically downloaded. Okay, so I already downloaded some dependencies file in a text file. Okay, I see that here the pom.xml. Here I am downloading this dependencies file. Okay, I will put this description into this text into my description of this video. Okay, you can find the attachment from the description. Okay, copy that and paste it in under the build. See that under the build. Okay, here we can see the change. That's why I just open this. Okay, and paste it here and okay, paste, save. Okay, we just saved. Oh, the building workspace is not completed. Okay, after we see that here is some text, because I used this in Windows, I copy paste here. This is command line. So sorry, comments. This is comments. So it's not problem. We need these three things. See that it will automatically download the character listen versions and all are from the sites. So this is the important. So we need to click for Control plus S to save, and this must be finished. Building workspace 75%. This must be finished. Okay. After that, it will be created. See that this is for JRE systems. We need a Maven dependencies. Okay. Okay, this will be completed. Then the Maven dependencies is also generated. See that this is the Spring Framework dependencies file. We didn't download and put it here. We added these file this in XML. Then it will be automatically downloaded. Okay, guys. I think you can understand that. So this is must. We need to check this. Is it present here or not? If this is not present in our dependencies have some problems. So okay, so next step is we need a server to run this, because of we created JSP pages. JSP pages mean Java server pages. That means a server. We need a server. So here we are going to use the server is Apache server, Tomcat Apache server. So for that, right click here and click properties and click runtime target runtimes. See that target runtimes. So here we don't have any Apache server, so we need to download Apache server. Okay, I will show you how to download Apache server. Just to close and open a browser and type Apache Tomcat download. You can type it Apache Tomcat download, and this is the here is the first page. Click here. This is the shortcut Apache Tomcat download. This is because of the SEO. Okay, here we need we can download the latest version 8.5.16 is the latest version. So we can download tar.gz gunzip files. This is for Windows, this is for Windows and this is for Linux. Okay, so press, we need tar.gz gunzip file. For this is used for in Linux. Okay, see that, and you can save. I am using a download manager. Download the mode is a good download manager. Okay, okay, then starting, it is downloading. Okay, I think it's just 9 MB. Okay, you can download easily. Without Tomcat server, we can't run JSP pages, because JSP means Java server pages. We use the JSP pages as in servers. Okay, in using that we use the Spring MVC. Okay, it's completed. So let's get open it. So here is our Apache. Then right click here and extract here. See, extract here. So there is a folder, extracted folder. Here is our files. See that? Okay. I prefer this file must be put not here. Open terminal. Control Alt T to open terminal and cd desktop. Okay. Then you can use MV to move Apache system slash opt. We can create a we can put this in opt. Okay. Okay, permission denied it, so we can use sudo move and put press password and okay, see, it's disappeared. Okay, nice. So now we know where it is. So right click here, then properties, then target runtimes, then click new, then we can use 8.5, then next, then browse. Okay, browse will be we need to, this is the computer, and see opt Apache. Oh, we can just use this. Okay, if you download and extract this Apache file in your home folder or desktop, you can browse from there. Okay, I just put all my installed software to opt. That's why I used this method. Okay, don't confuse it. Okay, then press finish. Okay, see that our Apache server is on the way. Okay, click here and apply. Okay, what happens? Okay, then apply and close. Okay, so our Apache server is running. See that Apache Tomcat is present here. I just showing this difference because of, if we do that, we can get a result. We can get a result and see it's. That's why I am showing all this step by step. Please patience. Okay. Okay. Now we can create a JSP page from in this web.nf, web content, web.nf, web.inf. Right click, new folder, and we can put any names. I just give JSP pages. Okay, JSP pages. Okay, click finish, and in the folder right click, new JSP file. Okay, I am just giving firs to a first. Okay, see, a file will be created. This is our file. See that in here the HTML code will be written. Okay, I just hello, my first JSP page, just saved. Okay, now we need to, okay, next we are going to create 3 packages because of we are doing Spring MVC. MVC means mode view controller. So mode is the object or object we can be used, and view is the view. This is the SP can be a view. This is a view. Okay, we can see the output from here. So this is a view, and control is a, doing connections. Control is if we click one page, it will goes to another page. Then we will click, then that second page it will be go redirect to another page. This process is a controlling. Okay, so we need three packages. Is one is control for controller and mode and view. Okay, mode is just an object creating databases, and that can be used to access and store data from the our pages and to the pages and from the pages. Okay, so we need to create a three packages from the Java. Okay, Java source file, source resources, extend, and in the source right click new package, and click here sample. We can you create com dot, okay, sample dot controller, then enter. Okay, we create already one packages. Next we need to create another packages is com dot sample dot and this is for data abstract object. This is for object. See that object, that's why I just give this name. Okay, next right click new packages. So com dot sample dot service. Okay, service, this is for views. Okay, views, click, see that three packages are created. I think it's splitted. If you create a class here, it will be tolerated. Okay, then right click here new, we are going to create a class. So see that we need a class name. I am going to create a class in my controller, so I just give my controller class. Okay, just a name, you can use any name here. Okay, don't tick here, we are just using a class. Okay, finish. Okay, then he see the package name, our class name. In before the our class name, I am going to set a annotations at controller. Okay, at controller, because of if we the compiler can understand this is for controller. If we search for controller, it will be show this class. Okay, I will say later what is annotations. Okay, now this is just a basic. Okay, and this is our class, and going to create a method public. We must be written a string, not void int. We must be written a string. Okay, string. What is method 1, just give a name method 1. Okay, otherwise we can use fir as the first method. Okay, first method, because of I am going to get the my first JSP page, that's why I give this. Then return a string. What is our JSP name? FIRST first. This is we are going to return. That's so this file name must be here. So I think there are an error. What is okay? See that spring window? We need to import this. See, the problem is solved. Okay, next we want to adding another annotation for request mapping. We can autocomplete for control space. When we control space, see that request mapping. Okay, press enter. Okay, and then here it is. Okay, then put. Okay, I will. You can understand this for why we using here it is. Okay, now the JSP page is will be load, but before that we want to tell the server where is the JSP folder and where is the what are the files you want to load. Using for that we need to add servlet. It is used for servers. Okay, so you can right click the project, new, see servlet, click the servlet and click here, don't fill this, and click here using an existing servlet class or JSP. Okay, click here and browse, and I am using dispatcher servlet. Okay, before that okay, before that I will show you a thing. Okay, see that this is just our web.xml, but we didn't say where is our JSP pages and what pages are loaded. So I didn't say about that. Now if we put here to servlet, the server will say what the pages and what the folder or directory need to show or loaded. Okay, see, and then click next or finish. See that the changes will be on. In here we are going to say which folder and which files. Okay, in web.xml we need to, this is the display name, this dispatcher servlet, we can change it here, and this is her name, we can change. I am just doing ds for shortcut, and here is I am just change ds. We usually ds is here, so that's why I used here. And in here we have now folder dispatcher servlet. I am just using, this is the root folder, that's why I use. Okay, so here we say which folder and which server name and folder. So next we want to add our JSP page. So where will be say to need a JSP page to load, and JSP files not needs to load. So we are using a we are using an XML file for that. Right click the web inf, right click new and other and XML and XML file. Next, here we use ds, that's why I am using here ds minus servlet, we can press finish because of we used XML, so it will automatically got an XML extension. Okay, finish, see that XML. So here we using a code, we can I will put that code in my description. Okay, in this video's description you can find that. Okay, I already stored it into a file. Okay, see that this is my that code. Okay, called as beans. Okay, now see, this is our code. Okay, see, in content component scan base package com controller. So my base package, see, you can see Java resources source. Hi, this is my this, what is my base package? This is my base package com.sample. okay, so I just, this is for controller. Okay, that's why I use com dot, okay, controller, we need that com dot sample dot controller. Okay, next see here prefix means you know that prefix, what a word, before a word is prefix and after a word is suffix. Okay, prefix is our JSP pages. See that JSP pages, our folder name JSP pages. So here web name JSP pages. Okay, it's right. And the suffix is JSP, loaded all pages, JSP pages. Okay, and now I think we are ready for load our first page. So we can load our first page by you can use this for our current instance. See that first of all we our pointer will be this, but file will be opened with this. Okay, we can run, right click the project and run run on server, manually define. Okay, it's okay, it's right. We can click next. And we need if we are running many projects, many files will be can be seen here. We can remove from here because of if we can use only one at a time, because of the speed will be reduces, because if we use the more files. Okay, then click finish. Okay, our server is running. I think there will be okay. See that, hello, my first page. Wow. And this is the sample program. See this okay. See here our in the first page is used here. Here is, see that this is a sample. Okay, now I can be remove this and create a form. Simply create a form and I will show you. See that a form. We need just we need to know basics HTML. Action, I put page 1. Okay, now input okay, type is equal to button not, I am just here text. Where is text. Okay, then a name is username. Okay, username. Before that username, otherwise we can use username. Okay, beer, I use beer. Then next password. This is a sample of logging. Okay, input type is equal to, here is also text and name is equal to password. This name will be used later, I will tell you at that time. Okay, yeah. Okay, next we can get a text field, username and password. Then we need an input for input slash type is equal to not a button, submit. Okay, submit. Okay, we can just see the output here. When we running Apache server, the server will automatically create a folder. Okay, Apache Tomcat will create automatic folder. It can be used for linking our databases. I will explain later. Okay, we need patient runners on server. See, we can always use the server when the running this project. We can tick here and next and finish. Restart, remember my decision, restart server. Okay, always we need to reset, that's why I put tick. See, my pages will look like this. If I am click the submit, there will be nothing to show. Okay, so I created a new page, another JSP file, and the second. Okay, here this is second page. Save it here and we created JSP pages. In controller we need to show that. Okay, copy these things and not these code, say, and paste here. And in here we need to, this is change the method, second you can give any, and here we must return second JSP file. Okay, and here we are going to use what is we used in here, action. When we click on the submit button, the action is page 1, so I am going to here page 1. Okay, this is my action. Okay, now when we click submit button, it will be going to second page. The second page is, see that second page is, this is second page. Okay, so we can run on server. Okay, it will automatically reset, it will not prompt like that. See that, okay, password, submit. Oh, nice, this is second page, it will show second page. Okay, but we want to validate this and all of this. Next tutorial I will you explain how to, and what will we do next. Okay, if you guys like this tutorial, please like and share and subscribe, please. Okay, I will give more videos for MVC as a simple coding, and if you have any doubts you can mail me. Okay, thanks guys.